Hey everyone, so we are doing Myntra winter jackets haul. I tried include all the neutral shades so it could be more versatile. So the very first one is one of my favorites from the haul is this glitz brown puffer jacket. My size is S in this and I got this for rupees 909. So for this price I would say this is a total steal deal. First of all, I love how puffy this is and I've been finding this type of crop puffer for so long which is actually puffy enough because most of them if you see they are not puffy enough, and if you go for like higher prices you might find a good puffer, but on this price I genuinely love this one so much, and especially the length is so perfect for me as a short torso girl. It comes with these strings so you can make it more snug fit, so would definitely rate this a solid 10 on 10. Okay, so the next one is one of my second favorites from the haul is this glitz spread collar tailored jacket. My size is S in this and I got this for rupees 1400, and I would not say it is expensive because it is really good quality as well as classy and trendy at the same time. Love the grey color. This could be a perfect jacket for office as well if dressed in a professional way. I love how perfectly oversized it is on me as a short torso girl or as a short girl in general. The length is perfect for me and the fabric is quite warm. I don't exactly know what it is called, but it is the same as a coat fabric. So would definitely rate this a solid 10 on 10. Okay, so the next one we have is this black quilted jacket from Roadster. I got this for rupees 1199 and my size is S in this. It is more of a snug fit jacket. Again, it is perfect for both casual and professional settings because of the collar detailing it has. Love the quilted fabric and how it fits on me. I tried to include different winter fabrics and patterns in this video. Like we had puffer, then we have wool coat fabric, now this quilted fabric, and we have fleece and houndstooth fabric as well. Okay, come to the jacket. So this is not as warm as the puffer, but it is a medium warm jacket and it looks really stylish, so would definitely rate this a solid 9 out of 10. Okay, so next up we have is this Roadster open front fleece jacket. My size is S in this and I got this for rupees 989. So after puffer jackets, fleece are the warmest and comfiest I feel from my personal experience. I love the beige color of this and it has this leather detailing in the zip area and on the pockets, which is unique and looks really nice. I could have gone for one size smaller on this, but overall I would rate this a solid 9 out of 10. Next we have is this Roadster co-fleece color padded jacket in the shade olive green. I got this for rupees 1065 and my size is S in this. I could have gone for one size smaller than this, but anyways I love the olive green color as well as the shape of the jacket, and it comes with this fleece collars which I feel quite unique and I really like them. It is also quite cozy, not as warm as the puffer and fleece, but yes, medium warm. So overall would rate this a solid 8 out of 10. Okay, last up we have is this Roadster houndstooth tailored jacket. My size is S in this and I got this for rupees 1551. The houndstooth is a classic winter fabric which you won't find a lot of people wear it often, but I really like this particular jacket. It feels casual as well as classy at the same time. I love how it fits on me, the perfect oversized laid back kind of look it has. It comes in this two colors. It is not as warm. It is for mild winters, so I wish it could have been more warmer than this, but overall would rate this a solid 7 out of 10. So these were all the jackets I got from Myntra. Do let me know which one you like the most. We'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye.